Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Pocket Rocket Garage, and in this video I'm going to do the first job I can on the Skoda Yeti. In a previous video, if you haven't seen it already, I went out and bought a new daily driver, and it was this lovely brown Skoda Yeti. And the hat didn't come with it, but I did have the hat already, and when I drive it, it looks great. So in today's video I'm going to be working on the alloy wheels. The centre wheel caps are really bad and corroded. Pretty awful, so I've got plenty of work to do. Click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get straight on with it. This job won't take too long now that I've spotted, after doing some research, that if you take an old butter knife you can tuck it behind the chrome badge that's glued onto the plastic centre cap. Just pull it forward a slight amount, that's all you need. Get some mole grips on it and then it will pop out or pull out the whole plastic centre cap all in one go with the old badge still glued onto it. I'm going to put these in a bucket of hot soapy water and let them soak for a good hour. This will help soften all of the glue and make removing the rest of the chrome badge a lot easier. There you go, it comes off really easily now that the glue's all softened using the mole grips. Grab yourself a hairdryer, remove all of the excess glue. You want to make these plastic badges as smooth as possible without any imperfections. So I'm using some sandpaper, I'm going to use some Scotch-Brite, and I'm going to get these as smooth as I can. I want the plastic looking super smooth, ready to apply the 3M high gloss wrap. Now I purchased this vinyl wrap from eBay. It's 3M high gloss black 2080. And it's really good quality. It sticks to the plastic really well, and you'll see that I'm using a microfibre cloth, a heat gun or a hairdryer just to heat it up, stretch it, manipulate it around the plastic, and just by pulling it tight and taking your time, it does wrap around the object really easily. Again, using the microfibre cloth, you won't scratch the vinyl, but you can actually get it really tight into all the grooves. I'm just taking my scalpel blade, craft knife, and removing all the excess vinyl wrap that I don't need. A quick going over with a hairdryer and another rub down with the microfibre cloth, and then you can do the best bit, and that's remove the plastic protective film. I'm really pleased with the outcome of these, and I have got a really good technique for putting them onto the wheel, and that is just hitting it with the soft part of your fist. I tried a few other ways, but this did work best, and I'm really pleased with the outcome. And just by complete luck, they do match the black powder coating that is already on the wheels in high gloss black. Thanks for watching. Click that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video.